this feels really remote. It isn't. It's Ireland, and it's beautiful. So, off to find a campsite. Fire engine. Oh, one of the boats has sunk. Oh, people are falling in. Out we go. Got the tent up. It's raining quite a lot. You'll hear that. It's actually calmed down now. Quite interesting. You can get the bike inside the tent, which is good. Good though. Welcome to Valentia. It looks like a very nice place. Morning. The weather forecast is heavy rain virtually all day. So I put the tent where it is, or left it where it is, and I decided to stay on the island. And I've not got heavy rain, and I have got at least no rain and dry. Dare say it won't last. Off to see the pteropod footprints. Just walking down to see if we can find some pteropod fossilised footprints, which is ace. But, well, the footprints are along here somewhere, but I imagine they don't want you to go and find them. Somewhere though. I love the way those hedge lines come down to the water. The sun's not over there, but it is over here. The ferry's just docking, I think, the other side. So it's early Wednesday morning and it has stopped raining, but it was raining torrentially right through the night, so I haven't slept that well. Weather forecast is heavy rain for the next 2 days or more. I've got to ride now and put a tent up for tonight. Oh, the tent itself holds off water quite nicely, but let's see if it's see how much water I've got on my gear and my clothes and everything when I get into it, because I don't want to bring water into the tent tonight. Anyway, first problem is finding somewhere to put the tent up, and I think that's going to be genuinely difficult today. Let's see how we get on. Rain a little bit. It's peeing it down, and I didn't stop early enough. It's already quite wet.